But how can hundreds of thousands of products be delivered in just 24 hours? Let's find out! Hi folks and welcome to AT Lab. Today I'm taking you with me to the mega warehouse of RS components. I'm already on the Italian highway heading towards Milan. And finally, here it is, the RS warehouse. I've arrived and wow, look at that! Before starting the adventure, safety shoes, lab coat and a guest vest are required. And here I am, the magic door opens. Oh my goodness, look how big this warehouse is, and it is really incredible. It stretches endlessly. We'll be exploring quite a bit. The entire warehouse works around a system of rollers conveyor carrying blue and yellow bins that transport various products picked by operators from an endless row of shelves. Walking among the shelves, there's a ton of stuff. Super useful items like connectors and DuPont wires, and really a lot more. They are thousands and thousands. There's truly everything here. It's a whole new world to explore. A computer system generates a picking list of products to collect. This list is loaded into the bins, which then travel on the conveyor belt and are filled with the items indicated. And here I got myself a sacrificial bin ready for the journey. A small improvised modification to the bin is necessary to hold the action cam, so it can capture the front view like on roller coasters. And seal test, the action cam is hopefully ready for a great ride. And here it is, the bin ready to start its journey. We have the pilot man, which is Marco, here to launch it, and today I have the honor of scanning the barcode 1, 2 and 3 and pressing the start button. Goodbye bin, have a good travel! Did you see it? Before launching my bin, Marco also loaded a picking list. And now a thriller roller coaster ride awaits. Let's see where it ends up. And on the road, the bin approaches, takes the second position, overtakes and returns to the pole position. Arriving at the slalom section, there's even an elevator that takes it beyond the finish line to the second floor. Shelves upon shelves upon shelves, and look at how long is this line. The bin continues its journey until it stops at the first of many loading stations along the line. Great news, today I've been hired at RS as a picking operator and I need to load one of these bins to complete an order. The document loaded by pilot Marco indicates the shelf position and product quantity. We have 14, B4A, row 14 and B4 here is right now. Quantity 1, and here we are, loaded into the bin, ready to be shipped. Actually, before reaching its destination, the bin stops at other stations where it's loaded with various products that make up a complete order. In case of emergency, there's also a handy hook for hangers in case a bin gets stuck somewhere. Then the bin returns to the conveyor to complete its circuit, passing through another elevator that takes it to the lower floor, and finally to its final destination to be emptied. The bin arrived safe and sound with the footage recorded. Here we are, where all the bays are located and each bay has its function. At the end of the conveyor journey, an operator retrieves the bin's contents and creates the shipment package using classic RS branded envelopes or boxes. Let me tell you, they do this at an incredible and lightning fast pace. One very important thing. Everything is made of recycled cardboard, which is a huge plus for sustainability. Even the tape used to seal the box is made out of recycled cardboard. And this face is the face of someone who did something he shouldn't have. And at the end of the process, the bin returns to the system, ready for another round and a new load of products. Ciao ciao! We've seen a complete warehouse unloading cycle, and there's about 400 bins in total around there, each capable of making 5 or 6 rounds through the day, and that's amazing. The ready order packages are stacked on pallets awaiting the courier for the shipment. And here we see pallets of items ready to be shipped. And anyway, safety is the #1 priority. And if one floor of materials wasn't enough, look, there's another equally large one to store all the bulky items. And they take another way for the shipment. But here in Milan, Italy, you'll also find the RS showroom, which I'm entering now. There's a lot of shelves where local customers can come and pick up their order items and make purchases. There are many products and tools for the industry. Multimeters, workplace safety equipment, cleaning products, truly a wide variety, just like in the warehouse behind that wall. And here, for us passionate electronic guys, it's the paradise, with soldering iron, soldering station, pliers and everything needed for quality thin soldering. And naturally there are also RS Pro branded tools on the shelves. There's also something for me. I have to sign several delivery notes before picking up the items I order. An MCB circuit breaker, and since I was there, I wanted to try out the live shopping service with an item I needed for the new lab. But I haven't yet shown you how the warehouse is restocked with products arriving from suppliers. Trucks arrive here and the gate opens and they enter the mega warehouse. This is the entire loading area where goods arrive and as they are processed end up upstairs in the warehouse. Simple, right? Actually, the process unfolds with the bins bringing products into the warehouse instead of taking them out. And this super adventure has come to the end. I'm driving home exhausted, but it was truly worth it. A fantastic experience. Thank you so much for watching. You know that a like and a comment here below help a lot me. And of course, a big thank to those who hosted me at RS Warehouse. Truly a special thanks because you gave me a wonderful experience. And see you soon. Bye bye!